How to redeem an e-gift card in Grubhub checkout. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Press on Grubhub in here. Then go to the store where you want to order from and press on the menu items, add everything to the cart and press on view order at the bottom. Here you'll find add promo code. In my country there's no option, so here it's not showing, but if you had options, you will find it here. Add gift card, and after that you can click on it, enter the gift card code from your eGift email, enter the PIN if your eGift card includes one, then press on apply and confirm the gift card, and according to that you will find your total. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to redeem an e-gift card in Grubhub checkout. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.